Today, as we gather here at Nazir Ajmal Memorial College of Education, our hearts are both heavy and full. Heavy with the sorrow of absence, yet full of gratitude for a life that illuminated so many of us. Today, November 18th, marks the 53rd birthday of our beloved legend, Zubinda. And though he is no longer with us, his spirit, his voice, and his ideals continue to resonate deeply in the hearts of Assam. Zubinda was not just a singer. He was the heartbeat of Assam. When we mourn him, we mourn an entire generation's song, a piece of our cultural soul. Across towns and villages, in classrooms and fields, in moments of joy and sorrow, his music carried us. It spoke our joys, our struggles, our dreams. His sudden departure left a void that feels almost physical, as though a river has lost its flow. Yet, in our mourning, we also remember the gift he gave us, the gift of identity, of pride, of unity. His passing brought the people of Assam together, not just as fans, but as a community, remembering a son who gave his life to our culture. He gave voice to a people. Let us celebrate the remarkable journey of Zubin Garg, a journey that began in Jorhat. Born in 1972, nurtured from childhood by his mother, a classical singer, his early training in harmonium and tabla, his first compositions, all showed his uncanny dedication and talent. He recorded thousands of songs. His official biography says over 30,000 songs in more than 15 languages were recorded. But a report from the Economic Times says he sang in over 40 languages. He was also a gifted instrumentalist, mastering as many as 12 instruments, from the tabla to the guitar, mandolin, harmonica, and more. Through his music, Zubinda did something extraordinary. He built a bridge. He connected Assam to the world, rural and urban, traditional and modern. He sang Bollywood songs like the unforgettable Ya Ali from the gangster movie and remained proud of his Assamese roots. He was not just a playback singer, he was also a composer, actor, filmmaker, poet, philanthropist. His social commitment matched his artistic passion. Through the Kalaguru Artist Foundation, he organized benefit concerts, relief efforts during floods, and supported young artists and students. During flood in Assam, he helped mobilize funds, clothes, and medicines. In the COVID-19 pandemic, he even offered his own home as a care center. He was there when Assam needed him. He lived not for fame, but for service. Here, I would like to echo what Principal Sir said some moments ago. As future educators, it is especially meaningful for us to remember his views on education. Though he eventually left college to pursue music, he never left learning. He believed that education is not just books, it is passion, creativity, courage, and staying true to one's dreams. Later in life, he was honored with a D.Litt degree, recognizing his cultural and educational contributions. He once expressed a belief very close to what we as teachers must uphold. I'm not a Hindu, not Muslim, not Christian. I am human. This spirit of unity, compassion, and humanity is something we must carry into our classrooms. Zubinda, your music continues to guide our emotions. Your ideals continue to guide our actions. Your spirit remains forever in Assam. On your birthday, we offer you not just tribute, but a promise that we will keep alive the unity, compassion, and cultural pride you gifted us. Thank you, Zubinda. You will live in our hearts forever. Joy Zubinda. Thank you.